What's going on, guys? We're back with another video with the Razer MX 650. The MX 350. My bad, guys. But we lost the charger. Well, we have a charger connection for this piece that we somehow misplaced, so we ain't been able to charge the scooter. I have to cut this adapter open right here and connect the adapter to these just to charge the scooter. But we ain't doing that no more because I found a hoverboard somebody threw away, and we got a charger for the hoverboard, the adapter. We placed it back here so we can just go ahead and connect this, charge the scooter like this. So there we go. We're gonna charge the scooter like that. But first we gotta connect these two right here, and I lost the other connector that connects to this, so I think I might have to just wire these two together because I lost this connector piece. I'm gonna go ahead and wire those two together so I can charge this scooter up, and that's how we're gonna charge it though. A little customized charging spot. So that's what we're gonna do. And then also, when I open this hoverboard up, I got this out of there. It was a battery, small battery, but I feel like we might be able to use this to as a backup if we run out of juice. With this, we could just carry this around and then plug this one up so we can get back and won't have to walk with the scooter. But that's the idea for now. So we'll be back with more videos later.